What's up, history and reviewers? It's your boy Ross coming at you live with another video, and today we're looking at the Sony HDMI EC Digital Link to TV DVD Upscaling Player DVP-SR510H. And I think we did a review on one of these earlier, but this time it's one that my mother bought for her house, and I have to set it up because anyone that's 40 or older has no idea how to use technology. Yes, this does upscale. I don't know if it upscales to 4K, but it upscales to 1080p, it says. Multi-brand TV control, DVD-R, CD, all those. You can play CDs on it. They act like it's still special, but I don't know anyone that still uses CDs. A lot of people have satellite radios, so they use their cell phones, and it's Energy Star approved. Output 1080p. We're going to review this again, because I know the last time I think I was wrong. Oh yeah, this is the same one as last time, but this is even better. It's in better quality and better lighting. You get your cool Sony remote. I don't know if you can see it. Very small, very lightweight. It is pretty accurate. You do have some input delay, but then again, every remote does. It does come with two AA batteries. The ones that I did in the last review of this are still in it, and that was months ago. Many months ago. They are the... Well, I just dropped it. They are the dropped batteries by ASMR Ross. Coming at you live with another video. They are Deanda. So they're off-brand batteries that you probably never heard of. The remote, obviously, this is what it looks like. Pause the video, look at it. Thank you. Because I got to hurry. This phone does not have that much memory in it. Samsung Galaxy S6, you cannot use an external SD card, which sucks. It's retarded, and I'm glad they fixed it with later models, but I do not have those later models. Here is what the DVD player looks like right here. The bad thing about this DVD player, the only bad thing is that the light, the power on and off light is on the top. It's not here. Your DVD player's here. You can't tell if it's on or off. Right here, where it's important, it's here on the top. That light right there. It does have the eject, the play, and the stop button, and the power button. Energy Star approved, Dolby Digital surround sound. They act like it's something new, and it's years old, so it's decades old now. You do have your video, surround sound, and audio sound cables. I believe someone asked in the other one, does it come with HDMI? No, it doesn't come with an HDMI cable, but it does have an HDMI port right there. So I don't honestly see the point in HDMIing DVDs. But yeah, this is the best review. You do get your manual as well. This cost, I believe it was $45, I think, when I reviewed the first one. It's $30 now at our Walmart. You get this very new, very hip and happening digital video disc player. Highly recommend it. It still works. It's still amazing. I don't have to do a test because you can watch the other video. This is just an updated, faster review. Thank you for watching. ASMR Ross and History of Reviews out. Check out our Gen Con video. You will love both of them. The Gen Con saga. We had a grand old time. We talked to many new cool, happening, hip people. Yes, dab on the haters. Thank you.